streets raised me, nigga, so I'm hard as hell. On the corner of the block, doing my crack sales with a gun by my cock in case I got a kill. With a vest on.
Yo, my niggas, I have a story. Not even a story, but I have. Check this scenario, cause if you're not jealous, you don't probably go through it. I probably won't go through it. But say you have a girl, you know, not link for a couple of years, you know, she loyal to you, you loyal to her, and she go out, you trust her, you see me, cause and she that the one, she not got this, you've been through some shit, so you trust her, and she want to go out with her friend them, say go on, enjoy yourself, you see me, shout me, I'm gonna pick you up, bring you home, you understand, and so as them type of relationship that I talk, one with the trust there, you see me, the respect there. So, you say if that ever happen and you decide, she do the road and if you go pick her up and reach early and them things and you know, you meet her friends, you shake and all of them things and you ask her she there and them say she there over there, so when you go over there you see her all dance with her youth. And when you see her, you know, she cut left the youth and she come across, come hug you and she there with you there and you know everything good. You say, "Chuck, me never there, you go dance, a party." You see if you and your girl stand up now and a youth come bend her over beside you and start dance with that one there. And you see she dancing, see me and enjoy herself right beside you. Don't get upset. Don't react. Be a good youth, you know, be a pimp. When them done, you just ask her if she thirsty. You thirsty, you want nothing to drink? And she say, yeah, you just say, alright, cool, me soon come. And then you just disappear. You just drop one of them ninja smoke on there. Reach your yard, you block and delete her number. Probably I'll change your address if you want, you see me? You want to stay away from that one. Relationship done. Don't give her a second chance. So the fact say, when you have history, you're going to want to believe her story. You're going to want to forgive her. Don't do it. Forget that one, they run it. She not no respect. She violate. I saw them stay. Don't trust them. You see it? Yeah. Be wise.
The streets raised me, nigga, so I'm hard as hell. On the corner of the block, doing my crack sales with a gun by my cock in case I got a kill. With a vest on, knowing that I might catch shells. Every day's a gamble in this place that I dwell. Can't stop, even though I know I'm headed for hell. Since 11, I've been in and out.